The Logitech X-530. One speaker system was originally designed for computers, but it can also be connected to many TVs to create a powerful surround sound experience. Since most televisions use optical or 3.5 mm audio outputs, while the X530 uses analog audio inputs, you may need a simple adapter or converter depending on your TV model. Once the audio connection is properly set up and the speakers are powered, the system can deliver rich stereo or simulated surround sound for movies, games, and streaming content. Try these. Step 1. Identify your TV's audio output port, usually a headphone jack, RCA output, or optical output. Step 2. Connect the green 3.5 mm audio plug from the Logitech control pod to the TV's audio output or to a compatible adapter. Step 3. Plug the subwoofer power cable into a wall outlet and turn on the speaker system. Step 4. Adjust your TV's sound settings to use external speakers or headphone output. Step 5. Use the Logitech speaker control pod to adjust volume and test audio playback.